guys, what's up? It's CloudNineSlimery and I'm back here with another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I've never showed you guys my new slime room. I just got it, I don't know, a few weeks ago. Just moved all my stuff in, but it's a mess, as you can tell behind me. I was preparing for East Coast Slimers and I just haven't really cleaned up, and so today that's what we're going to do. We're going to be fixing it up and everything. So sorry about background noise. Have my heater on because it's cold down here, and I have my mini fridge running to keep vegetables cold for my rabbits. But anyway, let's get cleaning. So guys, this is like all slime stuff. A lot of my slimes that I got from East Coast Slimers, and I haven't even put it away. Look how bright this slime looks. I didn't get that from East Coast Slimers, but I was playing with her. So many slimes here that I need to get fixed. All of the stuff left over from East Coast Slimers. My rabbits, I got a new rabbit. So this is Toby. This is my rabbit that I've had for about a year now, or over a year. They're both having some stomach issues, meaning like, you know, bathroom issues, because some vegetables I think I fed them weren't very good. So sadly, they're not feeling too well. So I've been cleaning his cage because he is getting it now, and it's really disgusting. Anyway, here's their little playpen, and here's my little Luna. I just got her a few days ago. I've had her probably for like about a week actually. But there's my little Luna. She's so adorable. We love her. We love her. She's shy still because she's new. She's adorable. So basically, this whole area is like mainly rabbit stuff. So I'm going to be organizing that a little bit, but I'm not sure if I'll really show it in this video because it's not really slime related, I guess. But anyway, I thought I would show you. I can't bond them yet, or like put them together basically, because he is a boy and she is a girl, and he is not neutered yet, and we don't need any little rabbit babies yet. But anyways, so I actually just bought some awesome slime supplies, so they should be coming in the next couple weeks and stuff, mostly in January. Here's like my big portion of my slime room. I need to organize slimes. I'm going to be organizing everything, and a lot of my organization tips are going to be inspired by Mush Slime here on YouTube, or Mushy Slime on Instagram. I'll link them down below. But her account is so awesome. She's from South Africa, and obviously you guys know I'm from the US. But goodness, her slime is so amazing, and her slime room tour looks fabulous. Anyway, here's my little fridge. You'll hear running. But she's cute, she's cold. This is their vegetables. Super cute. Just got it for Christmas. It is currently Christmas today when I'm filming this, but we actually celebrate Christmas really on Christmas Eve. That's when we like open gifts and everything. I do have this big sliding glass doors with just kind of like our storage stuff. Like that's a tractor. Here's my little filming area. I'll show you my light. Then we have this one. So it gets really bright. This thing still kind of moves. So I'm going to get something to kind of like hold her down. I just got it. My tripod for filming, my little tobe. This is like stuff from East Coast Slimers that I haven't put away. So these slimes are up on my shop now. Get them soon because they're Christmas slimes mostly. Putting some squishies up there. We still have some Christmas squishies. Bunch of this stuff. Haven't decided if I'm putting all of these up yet. Because I'm also getting more stuff. And some more stuff over here, which you will see later. So let's get into cleaning. Okay guys, so these are all of my glitters. So, besides this section, from here over are going to be put in jars. If they're bigger, like have a lot of it, they're going to be in these jars. If they're like small ones, like these, they're going to be put in tinier ones. Okay, so here are all my glitters now. We have them in little containers. They're super cute. Now to put them away. So now to put away just a bunch of stuff that we are selling in the shop. So guys, I will be making a video of some stuff that we're going to be selling at events and in our shop. It will be coming up here in the next couple weeks and everything, so I wanted to let you know, but we're going to be selling a few of these female little slices and some like cute other stuff, so definitely get ready. So the majority of my slime room is pretty decently clean. There's still a few things here and there that I'm going to continue to clean up, but I don't want this video to be too long, so definitely thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for other videos because there are definitely going to be a bunch coming. As you saw, I have so many slimes, probably going to put those in a slime smoothie, so definitely get ready for that, and thank you so much for watching. You got me